Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial and it's going to be on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's kind of a skin focused video mainly. As you can see, the eyes are very minimal and it's just a kind of summer glow makeup tutorial. I love doing these looks because I love being kind of illuminated and glowy, so I feel like the summer is the best time to kind of use these looks. Obviously this is very glowy. I haven't really used any mattifying, or I've tried to use very minimal powder. So if you are someone with oily skin, I feel like this look can still work. You just need to add a little bit of powder to wherever you need to. I still did, as you'll see in the tutorial. But I still feel like no matter what kind of skin type you are, I feel like this look can still work for you. You just might have to alter it a bit to suit obviously whatever skin type you are. But if you would like to know how I created this look and the products that I used to create it, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So as you can already tell, I've done my eyes because this is pretty much just a skin focused video really. The eyes aren't really anything to do with how much glowy you're going to be looking. So I've already done the eyes, so we can just do the face. I'm just going to start off with a moisturiser, and I am going to use a kind of glowy based moisturiser as well. By L'Oreal, it's their Extraordinary Facial Oil Cream. I've talked about this before on my channel. It's just one of my favourite moisturisers. Really hydrating. I do like using this when my skin is really dry, and also on nights out. So I just kind of keep it away from where I get oily, but it is a really good all around moisturiser. As you can see, it's added a really nice glow to all around the skin. So I'm taking the NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer. This is just a very good illuminating drugstore primer. It's really good at keeping your makeup on. It goes quite tacky, and it's also got a very strong glow to it as well. For foundation, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I use the shade 208 Sun Beige. This is just, I've talked about this so many times on my channel, so I'm not going to carry on talking about it. For concealer, I'm going to take the NYX HD Concealer, and I've got the shade Golden. To set the under eyes, I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, but I'm just going to keep it under my eyes and then just at either side of my nose as well, just to start where I get oily usually. But I'm going to use a different powder to set the rest of the face though. So if you are happy with leaving your skin just like that, that's perfectly fine obviously, but if you're someone that does need to set the perimeter of your face, then a really good powder that's still got a good glow to it is the Milani Prep Set and Glow Powder. I think this is really nice. It leaves a nice sheen on your skin as well as setting it. So I'm just going to apply this just where I would contour. And I'm not going to apply it anywhere else though, just because I'm fine with not setting the whole of my face. No, I'm not. Okay, hold that. Okay, let's just rewind a second. I've actually got cream contour to do just before I set that. I'm just going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Stick, and I use the shade Cappuccino to contour with. Now I'm going to use that Milani powder to just set all of that in place. Warm up the skin a tiny bit more because we have just contoured. Just going to take the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion Bronzer, and this has got a really nice sheen to it. Just for a little bit of blush, I'm going to use the Luminoso blush by Milani. This is one of their baked blushes, so it has a sheen to it. Obviously, I'm going to keep saying that, but everything has a sheen pretty much that I'm using today. Just so you can see it there. Looks like I'm wearing highlight. I'm going to use this Colourpop Double Play palette, and I'm just going to take this highlight shade here. One of my faves. I love this. I mean, I'm barely even touching my skin with this. Obviously you can completely skip this step if you just don't do it, but I'm just gonna use some spray, just like a facial spray first before I actually set the face. Body Shop, it's their vitamin E spray that I always use. And then a setting spray, a very good glowy one, is by Glamglow. It's their glowsetter. I really love this. Super good. It from kind of a distance. So this definitely is not like a must, but I just love using this product after I've done all of my makeup. It's by the Body Shop, and it's that Rose Dewy Glow Spray. So it's not a setting spray, it's just a kind of mist, just kind of like this, and it just adds the nicest glow. So I'm just going to show you just so you can see. We're already very glowy, but still. The face is just super, super, super glowy. Lips, I feel like because the eyes are very, 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 very minimal, I thought I would just go with a kind of bold lip, and I decided to go with a colour like this. It's by Colourpop, and it's a collab with Kathleen Lights. Literally the same colour as my nails. I cannot pronounce it, so I'm just going to show you the name. Like, I just feel like it's a nice orangey red, and it's just really nice for summer. I love wearing colours like this in the summertime. Just think it's a really nice shade to use in the summer. And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this summer glow tutorial. If you did, then be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know you enjoyed it, and also give the video a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I think it is, yeah, it's the infallible. Then for just a little that went straight down my ear hole.